NUWE stock analysis and price predictions for Friday. Is Nuwellis stock a buy? Going to be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1-minute video. Look, I'm the only guy in the space that has actually done 43,000 videos over 5 years, documented everything. And generally speaking with this, it's a bearish market. Well, it's about to be a bearish market if there is a second break. So this is only going to count if actually the price breaks beneath 13.16. And if that doesn't quite happen, then I don't quite care. You know, simple as that. Oh, my bad. Let's put it as such. I got the first break, so that's sick. It must have a second double break, you know, second break in order for me to take it down and actually be confident enough. Now, I much more prefer longs, but for this now it's a bearish market. You know, I have a previous receipts in the Discord regarding this. Let me know what is your opinion, and if you want to get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy. Really nothing else that I would add here. Yeah.